Airofog stainless steel non-drip sprayer operation. Preparing unit for use. When preparing the solution, wear personal protective equipment, PPE. It is important to perform a visual inspection for dented tank or any leakage from tank, hose and nozzle. Always place the container on top of the pesticide mixing mat to absorb any spillage or drips. A measuring cup is to be used at all times to ensure chemicals are mixed in the correct proportion. Prepare only sufficient amount of solution for each planned application. Filter funnel reduces unnecessary spillage and prevents chokeage of equipment. Tighten the safety lock nut to ensure the trigger is locked, thus avoiding accidental spray. Shake the unit to ensure solution is properly mixed for use. Pressurize the tank by pressing the plunger handle. 25 to 35 psi requires about 15 to 18 strokes. Choose the desired spray type and lock the safety lock nut. Aim at targeted area and commence spraying. Airofog stainless steel non-drip sprayer, maintenance. After completing spraying operation, pull and hold the pressure release valve. Unscrew the pump cylinder. Press the trigger with nozzle and hose above the tank, and please ensure that the nozzle is facing away from you. Empty the solution from the sprayer into a secondary chemical container. Spray the water into a container to clear excess solution that is in the hose. Pull the pressure release valve before unscrewing the pump cylinder. Empty the tank and secure the pump cylinder. Repeat if necessary. Fixing of damaged hose. Unscrew the hose clamp with a flat-tip screwdriver. Detach the hose by pulling the hose upwards. Cut the damaged part with a cutter. Reattach the hose. Tighten the hose clamp by screwing the hose clamp with a flat-tip screwdriver.